buy the samples and we will scan it, so we will come to know against which distributor it is built. So then we will come to know who is the black sheep. We will come to know who is the black sheep, and we will take immediate action. Capital punishment we will initiate against such people, because they are eating the hard work of other genuine people, which won't be tolerated. How to convince anyone that in the present era direct selling is the best professional career to choose, where any professional courses have academic courses to study? Right. See, just listen to me.